what we are trying to avoid, it don't happen. Exactly what we are trying to avoid, it just happened in Ghana since yesterday till now. Since 3 days now, I no sleep because of Igbo king. The rich men don't want to allow the poor men to breathe in this country. Just see. When I see all those videos, I think it's past video. I entered the comment section. I began to see Nigeria must go, Igbo must go, Nigeria must go, Igbo must go. And this video was posted 6 hours ago. The first one was yesterday. Imagine, this is what we are trying to avoid. Upon all the things where don't they happen for Ghana here, this one way when it happen, so it not pay the one way don't they happen, not pay Ghanaians like this one. We know say yes, there have been a kidnapping, there have been a raping, there have been a stealing, there have been many things, but this one that will lead to dragging of land or causing a nature war, a tribal war, na Ghanaians they try to avoid. Oga, you carry your money put for your pocket now, not be by force. The people say they don't need your kingdom for their country. If you like, go buy go build all those kingdom for Nigeria. Then you continue your life in Ghana. Nobody say may you not be king of your Igbo. Fine. Because it's 3 days now, my live stream of TikTok is just and the things are clear. You can be your king, fine. But they don't want may you build your kingdom in their land, because the kind of kingdom where you plan, Ghanaians don't get that kind of kingdom. Because everything they your kingdom. I be saying in a new country, a new city, now they trying to build. They say they don't need them. What is so difficult for you to say, okay, I rest my case. Let us have peace now. Eh? You don't make your money finish. You don't enjoy your life. Your children, everybody of your family, they know they suffer. Anything